Welcome to Rio de Janeiro. Safeguards rescue team doing a good job. Beach Party Rio de Janeiro, where the craziest carnival in the world takes place. In this video, I will show you how people get rescued by safeguards. Straight from Leme Beach, Copacabana. And if you don't want to miss any of our videos, please subscribe, like, and comment. Stay tuned for more exclusive beach videos on this channel.